want to say thank you. Thank you for being on my channel, on my app, just here in general. Thank you for following along with my crazy journey of making money to support my family and running a business. That's my journey. Thank you. Thank you. End of August will be 9 years that I started my cleaning business, and I still can't believe that I'm still going. And in my eyes, it's a successful business. How do I view it successful? Because I get to be home every night with my family and my kids, every evening with every afternoon with my family and my kids. I help many people with their cleaning and organizing needs. And it's not just a physical thing, it's a mental and emotional connection that I have with a lot of my clients. So I'm very happy and grateful that I can help them in many times of need. I've won multiple awards. I've been voted best cleaning business, I think 7 out of 8 years in a row. I have numerous certifications in cleaning and disinfecting. I make pretty damn good money for the amount of hours that I work, and then I could still, again, spend time with my family and my friends, because that to me is the most important. That is how I view success. And I also use eco-friendly products, so I'm helping the environment and helping my wallet and my clients' health and safety and my family's as well. So that's how I view successful. So I think I'm running a very successful cleaning business. Registered and insured with my state and federal background clearances and child abuse clearances. And it's legit, and I pay taxes and the whole nine. And I do some affiliate work with some companies, and I'm trying to do the TikTok shop and Amazon and sell things. And I'm just trying to hustle. I'm a hustler. I'm an entrepreneur, and I love what I do. That being said, it is just strange when I see other cleaners hate on me. Not that I've been told to my face that they hate on me, but I know that there are some out there. I know one in particular, but they've never said it. But I see actions. I sense the vibe from people. I could smell a con artist from a mile away. I'm just a very skeptic person at heart, and I'm very doubtful of a lot of things. That's why I question a lot. I believe in questioning authority. I believe in questioning everything. Question me on what I do and what I use, because I'm upfront and I'm honest. But there are those that like to pose and pretend, and any amount of energy that you may have hating on me or hating on anyone else, use that energy for your own good. Focus on you. Don't focus on me. You may not like me, and you may want to kick me out of your group so that I don't share about my cleaning business, because you may worry that it takes away from your work. But here's the deal. There is more than enough work for everyone. There is more than enough work to go around. And if you as a cleaning professional don't have enough work, don't think that it's because I'm taking your business, because I don't take anyone's business. I advertise and my clients come to me. I don't reach out to people. They come to me. If you think that my advertising or my exposure or just me being me is harping on your business, then you need to reverse that negative energy that you have at me. Focus it on you and make it positive energy. Quit having negative energy on other people, and take that negative energy, turn it around, spin it on you, and make it positive energy. That's literally what life is about. Stop focusing on shit that you can't control. Stop focusing on things from other people that you can't control. That does not affect you in any way, shape, or form. Maybe in your own mind you think it does. That you may hate, that have never done anything wrong to you. And use that energy and focus it inwards on yourself and make it positive for you. Because that is the only way you will be successful in life. In anything. Whether it's work-related or personal relationships or family drama or anything. When you focus on your own inner peace, that will radiate out, and then you'll be happy. But if you want to sit there and block competitors, or someone that you view as competition, or someone that you don't like just because you don't like them, or because you're jealous of them, and you want to block them from your lives, and you want to remove them from groups, and you just want to ban them because you worry that they're going to outshine you, or whatever it is, that's a you problem, not a me problem. Use that negative energy that you have towards someone that you are festering and building up inside because you're obviously not liking someone for whatever reason, and use that and make it positive in your life. Because if you can't, then you're just going to be a miserable person. Because guess what? I'm going to keep doing me. 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 And if that irritates you, toodaloo boo. Toodle effing boo. But seriously, guys, life is too short to be worrying about other people's business, literally work business or just their life business. Focus on you. Then be a better person. But stop being jealous on somebody else. And if you feel that somebody is being jealous towards you or having this negative energy towards you, just remember this. Anyone who talks about you behind your back is behind you for a reason. Bye. Bye, girl or guy. I just want to spread love and positivity. Don't let someone else's negative energy bother you. And if you're somebody who may not like me for whatever reason, boo, bye, peace, assalamu alaikum, peace out. That's all I gotta say. And if you're the person who's hating on someone, again, sorry for you, I'll pray for your soul, but use your negative energy that you have towards someone, spin it around and make it positive in your life. You. All right, bye guys, peace. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy and Plants of Palm Creations. I also make all natural plant-based hair growth spray, tick repellent spray, and lots of other cool stuff. Bye.